never come together. Well, there's one thing about it. The Japanese government entrusted several companies like Nippon, whatever it was, which became known to us as Nikon and Olympus, and these different companies to make cameras for recording what they did, and also for bomb sight glass and everything else. Voila. This camera was actually made in Japan. Most of the super cameras are all made in Taiwan or Malaysia or China. So even my new MacBook, I could consider that the one I keep in the backup for the photos and stuff.
Starting line.
It has this thing on it that says designed in California, and that little teeny writing made in China.
Yep.
And, all I read at first was kind of scanned it, and then I ordered it over the internet through the color. Which gave me $50 off. So anybody can do that if you just put a college in that's valid. It automatically takes off the money. But if you go into a store, you have to show proof of it, which I have. But I didn't know. I thought I'd have to put it like my code number in for the school or something. Rather than just put the name of the school in it. They verified that was a valid school. Get these, but it's going to be a little while. I don't think there's any self-certified this whole. It's funny because then your cell phone will sit there and search and the battery gets hot. Relax a little bit. Locking the gates. and the restrooms.
See, I could see like 30 minutes after sunset or something like that.
I think you can fish an hour after
Yeah.
something like that. But, it's just another. The fellow can't see the noise and just probably fell down. They started to speak slow way down.